Hi, I'm Nicole Sullivan, and welcome to my newest horse farm listing in Walterboro, South Carolina. This property has an updated 3-bed, 2-bath house. It sits on 15 acres with 5 currently fenced as paddocks. The home itself has a front and back porch, large fenced-in backyard, a wood-burning fireplace, and remodeled spa bathrooms. It is complete with custom lighting and high-end appliances. Outside of the home, you'll find a 70-foot round pen with double gates so you can easily fit your tractor and drag through. All of the paddocks also have double gates for easy access. This is a great piece of property in the rapidly growing Walterboro area. If you're ready to create your dream farm, come check it out today.